Hi, my name is Gaurav. I work in Garden Food Service. Um, I'm a data analyst and I give Workfront on a scale of 1 to 5 a rating of 3. So before Workfront, I was using Microsoft Project in my team to manage marketing projects. What didn't work that well with Microsoft Project was it didn't have very good integration with Gmail because Microsoft Project is a Microsoft product. Gmail is a Google product, so it's difficult to integrate two companies that compete against each other on Office solutions. So yeah, that was the main reason why I recommended to switch from Microsoft Project to Workfront. The other reasons were the scalability of the product was higher, so we could scale the solution across more number of users when it came to Workfront versus Microsoft Project. And then finally, the cost was more economical for Workfront versus Microsoft Project. So the reason why we chose Workfront software to manage our projects is because of its integration with Google products. We primarily use Google to exchange emails. We use Google to create presentations. We use Google to do our data analysis. So we are all about Google, and Workfront was well integrated with almost all Google products, especially Gmail. The second reason was we wanted a software that would allow us to send out emails automatically when a project was due or when a project was completed or when the person who was doing the project needed an update on where the project is because there might be other team members doing the same project. So essentially, Workfront allowed sending out emails, collaboration, and it also basically updated us on when there was any changes to the project. Finally, the big benefit of Workfront is it's easy to use compared to other office or project management softwares. Very intuitive. Everything is accessible online through a login, and you can also use it as a way to document the project requirements, the project goals, the project updates, any contracts, any reports, all that can be documented easily using Workfront. So when it came to onboarding users to start using Workfront, I would say it was not an easy task. We really needed someone in our team who knew Workfront in and out, like the UI and the various features and how to customize the solution to meet our needs. So first we had to train one individual who would basically focus on managing Workfront software and customizing it. Once we had that person, then we had to train the users of the software who are going to log in and use it to manage their projects, because we had multiple team members who had different roles. So they had different skill sets, and based on their skill sets, based on the goal of their job, we had to customize it to meet everyone's needs. So I would say because of the learning curve there, when it came to understanding the user interface, understanding the features, and understanding how to customize the solution for different users, it was, I would say, a time consuming task and complex, you know, uh, exercise to customize the solution and make it friendly to our users and eventually onboard it. I think once we had customized the solution using that one individual who helped us out in our team. Then after that, it was easy to onboard the users because now everyone became familiar after they had undergone some training, after they had read some documentation, after they had done some practice of the tool. So after that training, we were able to onboard more users quickly, and that's what helped us increase the productivity of the tool and the adoption of the tool. So one advice I would give for those users of Workfront who are planning to either start using the tool or have already decided but are struggling to use it would be to first determine what your team's goal is when it comes to project management. Make sure the project you're doing is needing management. Is it a business project? Is it an IT project? Is it a marketing project? Like what kind of project it is? Because typically Workfront like softwares are used for managing marketing projects. They are very handy there because most of the marketing projects, they involve proposals with the clients. Um, those proposals may include project requirements and cost involved, timing involved to do the project. And also the people who are in the marketing team are having a marketing mindset to doing projects. And that's what really this tool is meant for. For example, if you're doing any marketing campaigns like email, social, etc., and you want a software to manage those projects so that they're done in time, they have all the proposals ready to go for the marketing specialists. And if the project folks want to make any changes, they can do those changes on the fly. For example, if they want to add a supplier, remove a supplier, add few products, remove few products, or add or remove tactics, they should be able to quickly do that without having a lot of technical knowledge about the tool. So it's more like a drag and drop tool that is also integrated with your email. So essentially, if your project is marketing type, number one. Number two, the people who are going to do the project are all marketing friendly. And number three, the project involves sending out emails to know the project updates, uploading proposals to know the campaign items to target, the customers to target, the cost or the budget to play with. And finally, if the projects involve changes on a periodic basis, like adding or removing products or customers to target, or adding or removing tactics, then that's where you want to use Workfront because it offers that flexibility, that collaboration, and that ease of use, which very few other softwares provide. So that's what I recommend as the key types of projects you should handle, and the type of folks that should be involved in doing the project should be marketing friendly. That's my strong advice and recommendation.